This home is not for sale. Pat Nadeau here with the Nadeau Real Estate Group and eXp Realty, and today I want to do something a little bit different. So you know how realtors always say this home needs a little bit of love? Well, this home needed a little bit of love, and now I get to show you what a little bit of love looks like. So my buyers bought this property last year, and over the past few months have put a ton of love into it, and now it's got a ton of equity into it as well. Come on in and check out the phenomenal renovations that they've done.